Okay, so today I'm going to do a review of Randy Orton 3D printed picture t-shirt. Okay, so this is the Randy Orton 3D printed picture t-shirt. Wow, look at this, man. Looks so nice, man. It looks very nice. Oh, it's real. Look at this, man. So Randy Orton having 2 championship belts. That's right, having 2 championship belts on the shoulder. So this is the Randy Orton 3D printed picture t-shirt. It looks awesome, man. Look very nice. Oh, it's real. Okay, and then this is the behind. So this is the behind of the t-shirt, which is exactly the same design. So you see the t-shirt got in front and back also got picture. Looks very nice. So not only in front can see the picture, behind also can see the picture. That means people behind you can also see the picture. So this is the behind of the t-shirt. Wow, very nice, right? Oh, it's real. Wow, awesome, man. Looks so nice. Okay, so this is the another Randy Orton picture t-shirt. Okay, this is another Randy Orton 3D printed picture t-shirt. Look at this, man. It's so nice, so awesome, man. This looks very awesome. It looks very nice. It looks very fantastic. Oh, it's real. Wow. Okay, so this is the behind of the t-shirt. So behind also got picture. Wow, look at this, man. It looks so nice, man. It looks so fantastic. Super nice, man. Oh, it's real.